Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Beautiful Soup in Python 3.14 on Windows 11. If you want to scrape websites using Python, then Beautiful Soup is must. So let's get started. So click on the Windows icon, type CMD in the search bar, and once the command prompt appears, click on it to open it. Here in the command prompt, you are going to type Python space -- version. Hit enter. If a version of Python is printed, that means Python is installed on your Windows 11 system. However, if it is lower than 3.14, then you can upgrade it to 3.14 by watching this video in the I button. Also type pip space -- version to check if pip is also installed on your Windows 11 system. If versions appear on the execution of these commands, then you are good to go. Now create a Python project folder to keep things organized. I am going to create that folder in my desktop. You can choose to create it wherever you want. So type mkdir and the name of the folder. Let's call it bs_project. Hit enter. And you can see bs_project has been created on my desktop. Now go inside this folder using the cd command. Here you are going to create a virtual environment. The command to create a virtual environment is very simple. It is python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call the virtual environment as venv. Hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. Awesome. Let's check if bs_venv is created. So type the command dir, hit enter, and you can see bs_venv has been created successfully. This is the virtual environment. Now you are going to activate it. So you will type bs_venv, that's your virtual environment, /scripts with capital S /activate. Hit enter. You can see bs_venv is now active. Now let's install the Beautiful Soup library. The command will be pip install Beautiful Soup 4. Hit enter. And you can see the installation has begun. Great, it ended very quickly. Let's check if it installed successfully. So type Python to go into the Python prompt. Over here, you are going to import bs4. Hit enter. If this import is successful, that's good news. Type print within its brackets, type bs4 dot _ version _ hit enter. You can see the version printed here is same as the version of the Beautiful Soup library that we just installed. This proves that we have installed bs4, that means Beautiful Soup library, successfully. After you are out of the command prompt, just deactivate the virtual environment, because that's a very good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Beautiful Soup library in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.